Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars in second house. About Mars. Rules is Aries and co-ruler Scorpio. Exaltation is Capricorn. Detriment is Taurus and Libra. Fall is Cancer. Responsible. Action. Boldness. Represents. Action, aggressive urge, initiative. Anatomy. The muscular system, external reproductive organs, head and face, red blood corpuscles, motor nerves, bladder, adrenal glands. Keyword is energy. General. Deals with your animal nature, desire and sexual energies. Shows ambition, force, power, construction, work, strife, competition and death. Governs surgery and operations, weapons, war, accidents, inflammation, wounds and cuts, burns, squalds, violence, tools, iron and steel. In earlier times it was known as the Lesser Malefic. Mars's action is sudden, self-assertive and disruptive. Mars can be used destructively and angrily, in a fighting way, or with courage and strength. Where you find Mars in the horoscope is where you expend the greatest energy. Second house, it is mine, what belongs to me. The second house displays values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign, Taurus. Natural ruler, Venus. Keyword, values. A house of substance and earth. Quality, succeedent. General. The second house displays financial affairs, possessions but except real estate, investments, earning power, as well as any obtain or damage by your personal attempts. It signifies your inside talents and sources, your desire for satisfaction, your psychological feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of principles. Since several people think that liberty is basically a matter of funds, here is the property of personalized liberty. It is also your home of materials debt. Mars in second house. When Mars is in the second house in your fertility chart, you'll be motivated by money. You are sensitive, work hard for financial profit and often make good money, spend most freely and be generous with others. If your expectations are not met immediately, you can become very impatient. You tend to get involved in get-rich-quick schemes. You can be quite active in pursuing wealth and make a big deal to any potential employer. You also know how to talk to the store clerk for a better price, or where to find the best bargain for your budget. This is a good position for mechanical engineers and any other pursuing target on Mars like military or government jobs. With the difficult aspects, you may be allowed, at odds, and unable to keep your assets, so you often get into financial crises. Working for yourself and earning money using your business skills can be a good way to show off your energy. Sometimes, you can be so focused on making a living or making money that you have very little time to exercise. It's important to keep an eye on your diet and make time for physical activity, as you can easily gain weight and develop related health problems if you have bad habits. Other possible health problems for you include tonsillitis, pharyngitis, laryngitis, neck muscle tension or hyperthyroidism. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.